All right, I'm going to go over a video with our Laser Star Technologies laser welder. So the first thing you want to do when you come to the machine is you want to power it on. So this is the power, and then you also want to power this on. One is on, zero is off, so both of those are done. The computer will boot up. It might have an error message or two. If it does, you can press OK up here and it'll basically go back to normal. This is where you look through, and on the side of this is a black knob, and this lets you focus without any prescription glasses on. So get that focus in for your eyes. And finally we got to this screen right here. It says crosshair alignment. It's an error message, but it actually is aligned, so I should be able to clear that. But basically, these sides lift up if you need to get things in. And here we have this unique vise here. And what's unique about it is that you can put in a piece of ring metal that's used to practice on, stainless steel. But then this knob right here raises and lowers this thing up. And that's really important because the key to success with this laser welder is having the height of your metal be raised until it is in focus. Okay, and when I say the words in focus, what I mean is that when you look through here, you can see every scratch, the grain of the metal. It is just crystal clear like a microscope. And if it's not, you need to raise and lower this thing. That's super important. Okay, so the next thing is that when you're ready to weld, you can see right here it says here it says right hand sense. So when I put my right hand in, that message goes away. When I pull my right hand out, it comes back. So you can see this. Okay? If you're not seeing that, you might have to hit this exclamation mark up here. So right now, I'm just gonna. So now what I'm gonna do is you can see when my left hand goes in and my right hand, I should have no more error messages. So now I have both hands in. It says laser shutter closed. So what you do for that is back in here, there's this white button right up here, and you want to press the white button. And so now it's ready to go. Right? It says multi-pulse mode. And I got my crosshairs on the metal. We don't really need gas right now, but we do have argon gas later on if we want a better weld. But down here is a foot pedal, and when you hold the foot pedal down, it's going to do a blast. And if you look, there's these little joysticks right here, and right here it says 155V. But if I hold that joystick up, if I hold this joystick up, on the high end is 400 volts, and the low end is 155. So I'm going to do this high end one right now, and maybe you'll be able to see here. So that laser blast, you can see something's going on, but through the microscope, you definitely can see there's when I do the blast, watch this here. I'm going to move it over so you can see. Okay, so see if you can watch this here. So it's hard to see with the camera, but make sure you wear gloves. And your first, I would say, task would be to do beads with a straight line, and then see if you could maybe do your initials. And you can even do a ring with your laser welded initials on it. But it's all about practicing. And when you're done, be sure to turn off the machine to save the life of the machine. So I don't think it matters what order you turn them off, but turn both of these off. And, you know, be sure you put your gloves back. Thanks for watching.